So I can't be the only one that bought the meta dip and is now in a big pickle. And yes, I guess you could say I'm missed to take that risk because I bought the 2x leverage shares, METU. Or you could just say I'm a not so smart delusional dart thrower. But Meta is currently trading at about $610, and before their earnings they were at about $750. That is about a 20% dip on a Mag 7 company. Keep in mind, this is not during any type of market correction. All other Mag 7 companies are doing just fine. So this is quite a bit of a rare occasion. You normally don't see something like this happen. And in my personal opinion, I believe Meta is extremely oversold here. Quite frankly, they might be the most undervalued Mag 7 company right now, as their PE ratio is well below 30. Now, during their quarter 3 earnings, they reported quite an ugly net income for quarter 3. They had a $16 billion one-time tax charge for the big beautiful bill that absolutely screwed over their net income and EPS. I personally don't think that is a concern, but one thing that is kind of a concern is their CapEx spending and AI spending. Zuckerberg has been going crazy, and one big concern about this is we saw something similar during 2023 when Meta stock actually went from about 300 all the way to about 88. And this is when Meta was absolutely going crazy on the AI spend. But to be fair, it did work out in the long run. Now, I do believe Meta can make a recovery back to the 700s, but one thing to make note of is that Meta will continue to drop and bleed with the markets. But one thing to watch out for is that Meta will continue to bleed with the market. And it is definitely possible that we see Meta in the 500s before we see a recovery to the 700. And to be honest with you, I'm personally down 10% on my METU shares right now. Not the best situation to be in ever. I knew the risk coming into it. Leverage ETFs are not for everyone. But yeah, can someone just go tell Mark Zuckerberg to lock in, please? But of course, guys, this is not financial advice. I make these videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. I will say though, drop a follow if you want to see daily stock videos just like this. And also, I've got my free Discord community linked in the bio if you're interested.